welcome back to another video. My name is Tamika. You can call me Mimi. And today I am on my way to Target to get a few things. It looks like it is really crowded, so let's get going. Aaliyah, did you have a good day today?
Yes.
What did you do today?
We went to go on a tour for colleges.
And what did you think about the colleges that we saw today?
I like them, but most of them I wouldn't go.
Okay. And what has sparked your interest?
Cosmetology.
Cosmetology?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Jada, what about you? What school did you like the most? As you take a bite, we'll get back to you. We are Applebee's. We are at Applebee's eating some food after we just left church. This is what Jada eating. Same thing he always get every time we come. A burger minus the bacon. They did not put the bacon on his sandwich. And she got chicken tenders. She always gets the same thing. And me, I have nothing because I'm still waiting on my food. I didn't get my appetizer either. So I'm just sitting here. Hopefully I get a meal today. Or I'm just paying for theirs. We had another snowstorm last night. Look at our neighborhood. Look at the cars.
What's up, family gang?
So we about to shovel the snow. This mud, listen y'all, this is ice on top of the snow. This snow is hard. What? This snow is hard. This ain't like pick up and eat snow. Look. This is ice.
Rock on hard ice. Right here.
Oh! Look, this is ice, y'all.
Yeah, this is really ice.
All this is ice. It look like slush, but it's ice.
No wonder why the dude was getting
Like, look.
It's so crunchy, like in the movie of the grave. Well, I'm going this way.
Whichever way you want to go.
How am I supposed to shovel on this?
Push down. Oh, go.
This is too hard. Yeah, this is too hard. I can't do this. It's hard to shovel and it's rock hard.
You can't even make a snowball. Look. That's ice. Ice ball. Man, go. That ain't even snow. That's ice. That's an ice ball.
Cold.
See, look, he got it.
He's stronger than me, though.
Oh, okay. Is it hard, Hat?
Yeah.
Just like you try to.
We live in Michigan.
See, this
Snow
one,
is nothing.
I want to go to Flint.
No, it's nothing when you live in Michigan. See if you can make a snow angel. He don't care. Malik don't be caring. You can't even make a snow angel. Look, ain't nothing there. Malik, for real, it ain't that slippery. You so dramatic. It's not even nothing there. That's how you know that the snow is ice. Look. Let's see. What? You on the phone?
Yes.
No, you not.
Yes, I am.
How? You ain't got no headphones.
I'm not talking to you, but I'm on the phone.
Well, why you on the phone and you ain't talking to nobody?
I'm shoveling.
Why you just don't tell them I'll call you later?
How you know what's in?
All right, guys, before we end this video, I want to give a shout out to all y'all. He was the first person to comment on our last video. Don't forget that if you become the first person to comment on the video, we will give you a shout out. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video with all your friends, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.